Alright guys, today we're taking a look at the Eufy Smart Lock C30. So this is a great option if you're looking for a deadbolt system, but you want to be able to open it up with a passcode using your phone. But you do have the option, of course, to do the traditional method of using a key. But today I'm going to show you how to install this thing and show you exactly how it works as far as unlocking and locking and all the various methods that you can do so. As you can see, I'm going to use my closet door as an example. I've already removed the previous latch. And by the way, you do get everything that you need with this package. The only thing that you would need to supply is your own Phillips head screwdriver and 4 AA batteries, but everything else is included. Pretty much the first thing you want to do, you want to install the strike box. Now, I had an existing lock on here already, so I'm just going to skip that part, but it does come with that if you need it. And then the next thing would be to install the deadbolt itself. You'll see that it will show top, so of course you want that to be in the top. Then you go ahead and just insert that in there. And then the included screws, you'll go ahead and screw this guy in. All right, next step is to install the exterior assembly. So that's the outside part of the door, of course. And then what you do is you need to thread this in through the hole, of course, and then as well as the electronic component there. So let's do that now. By the way, a great thing about these is that they do come with rubber plating. So if you're going to be using this outside with your front door, it'll protect it from the elements. All right, so once you've got the exterior assembly on there, so you're gonna just take the base plate of the interior and you're gonna, of course, thread that through the horizontal slot there, the wire, and then you're gonna attach the two pieces together using these two mounting plate screws. All right, so once that's nice and tight on there, you will go ahead and attach the wire. So you'll see it'll be painted red to let you know which way it goes, and then you just click it in to place and then line up the turning rod there and attach it like so. And then to attach this casing, you'll remove the battery compartment, and then it'll come with these little screws that you can use to keep this in place. So we'll screw those in now. And we're almost done. We just need to put the batteries in, replace this, and that is it. All right, so now with the lock installed, I'm going to go through the various ways of locking and unlocking it. From the inside, of course, there's the one option of turning this knob, but from the outside, you'll have your various options. Of course, there's the physical key that you can use. Then you're going to have the passcode option here. Enter your passcode, and then you hit that check mark, and then it'll lock. Now with the app, you can set auto lock to be on, so I set mine to 10 seconds. That's the minimum amount, so you should see this lock itself in a couple seconds here. There you go. You can also set it to where you can long press the check mark to lock it. And in the app, there's also a button that you can drag down to lock and unlock the door. So let's take a look at the app now. All right, so as mentioned before, in the app, there's gonna be a button that you can drag to lock and unlock. So just like that, it's nice and simple. You can just take your finger to drag this. And then at the bottom left there, you'll see lock events. So that's pretty cool because it's gonna let you know exactly who would have locked or unlocked the door and how it was locked or unlocked. And then at the bottom right, this is how you can add users. So, multiple passwords and such, you can use that button at the bottom right. You just click add access, and then you add the name of the person, let's say user 3, and then you can let them know what times they can access the lock. I'll just keep it on always. And then this is where you set their passcode for them, and then they'll be good to go after that. But most of the features are going to be at the top right if you click on that gear. And this is where you can say turn auto lock on and off. And there's the timer that I was talking about. So anywhere from 10 seconds to 3 minutes after you unlock it. And then you can even schedule when auto lock is available. So you can set that scheduled there. And then you can turn one touch locking on or off. And that's where you hold the check mark button. So if you want to be able to lock it that way, that's where you can turn it on and off. Wrong try protection, so in case somebody's trying to access your door that you don't want, at multiple attempts, it will lock it down, and then you can choose the amount of lockdown time, the bottom there, and then scramble passcode. So this enables you to, enter any number of random numbers before and after your actual code. So in case you're in a public area, you don't want people peeping, you can scramble your passcode that way. And then finally, just at the bottom there, a couple more features like turning on the lock sound or changing the volume of it, calibrating your lock in case there's some issues with calibration, as well as notifications, turn notifications on when the door is unlocked or unlocked, and other general settings like naming your door and fixing the internet connection and stuff like that. All right, guys, so I hope you found that useful. Definitely check this thing out if you want a deadbolt that you can easily install and comes with app features that make it really useful. So definitely check this thing out today.